to another mini tutorial from Upvc Spares for Repairs. Today we're looking at the replacement of a Basta door hinge with their current model. To enable you to remove the hinge from the door, the first thing you need to do is open the door to locate the grub screw, which prevents the pin moving. So you insert a 2.5mm Allen key, rotating it so far until you can remove it. Having removed the other two grub screws on the reverse of the hinge, you then move forward to remove the pins. Remove all three pins, and then with a little bit of help from someone else, you lift the door off the outer frame. Having removed the door sash, the opening part of the door, lay it on a carpet or on a couple of pieces of timber, and then you've got to locate a cover which is either on the top or the bottom of the hinge, which you can remove. And on the other side you're going to find a 2.5mm grub screw, which is located either in the bottom or the top of the hinge, which needs to be unscrewed and removed. And then finally there's a side cover plate which you remove with a nice sharp pointed implement, and simply take that away, and that will also expose a 4mm screw inside here, which needs to be rotated anti-clockwise to allow the body of the hinge to slide along, and it will eventually get to a point where the screw will rotate very, very freely now, and at that point this body should slide along. Now you may need the assistance of a mallet here. Which reveals the plate below. And having removed the other three screws, finally take that one away and ease the plate off the door. And now turning to the outer frame, we remove these two screws, and then this one finally should release the hinge away from the outer frame. And thank you so much for watching.